Hello, I'm Liz Duplessis, the Instructional Designer in Distance Education at SRJC. In this video, I'll show you 3 best practices for creating and uploading an effective digital syllabus to the SRJC website so that students can view it when selecting courses. Let's get started. First, I'll show you templates that have recommended components in place to get you started. Next, I'll show you features to make your digital syllabus accessible to the disabled, which is a legal requirement. Then, I'll show you how to convert Word document syllabi to PDF files and upload them to Canvas, as well as to the Schedule of Classes section information page for your course, where students won't have to log in to see your syllabus before enrolling in your course. The Distance Education team has created 2 syllabus templates that are pre-formatted to be accessible to the disabled. One is a Word document on our website that you can download. The second is a Canvas page you can import into your Canvas courses from Commons. I'll start with the Word document, which you can edit and convert to a PDF to upload to the SRJC website. If you don't use our template, I'll show you how to edit your own Word document for accessibility. To download our Word document template, go to de.santarosa.edu, click on Web Accessibility Guidelines, and Accessible Syllabus Word Template to download it. Click on the download to open it, click Enable Editing, and then File, Save As to save it to your computer. Follow the prompts on the page to customize it. For instance, you can copy and paste the course description from the course outline of record to replace this placeholder text. If the formatting changes to a different font, highlight the text and click the Clear All Formatting button to fix it. Do not clear the formatting for headings, which are pre-formatted for accessibility. If you are not using our template, you need to know how to make the headings and some other key features accessible to the disabled. Let's start with headings. It's important that documents have headings so that sight-impaired students who are using assistive technology can jump from heading to more easily navigate the document. When you use the built-in heading styles in Word, the correct semantic structure is applied to the document behind the scenes, and assistive technology will recognize the heading structure you have added. Select the text that you want as a heading. From the Home tab, the top ribbon should show the heading styles you can apply. You may have to click on the Styles pane to see Heading 3, Heading 4, and so on. Maintain a logical structure by applying headings in the correct hierarchical order. Do not skip a heading because you want it to be a certain size. You can modify the size, color, and font by right-clicking on it and choosing Modify. When choosing colors for text, make sure that you have enough contrast between the text color and the background color. Avoid creating a new style, as any new styles you create will not have semantic meaning to assistive technology. If you use tables in your document for presenting data, be sure to provide table headers to categorize content in the rows or columns. For instance, to set the header cells for columns, select the top row of cells, right-click, and choose Table Properties. Choose the Row tab and make sure that Repeat as Header Row at the top of each page is selected. If your document has columns of text, be sure to use the Column tool to ensure the correct reading order. Do not use the Tab key, space bar, or text boxes to create the layout of the page. If you add images to your syllabus, they need what is called alternative text added to each image to describe it for students with visual impairments. Right-click on the image and select Format Picture. In the sidebar, choose the Layout and Properties tab. Click to expand the Alt Text option. Enter a short description into the description box. Do not include image of or picture of in the description, as the screen reader will automatically indicate that it is an image. And don't enter anything into the title field, as the description will then be ignored. If the image is a chart or other type of complex image where more text is needed to adequately describe it, consider providing a detailed description within the document adjacent to the image, or you can create a separate page for the description. It's also important to use descriptive hyperlink text when creating links in a document. The link text should be an indication of where the link goes. A URL, such as this, is not best, as it may not make sense or be indicative of where the link goes. Now I'll show you how to export your Word document to PDF for uploading online. How you create a PDF from a Word document will make a big difference in the accessibility of the PDF. Unfortunately, on a Mac, conversion to an accessible PDF is not available, and you may need to use Adobe Acrobat Pro to make your document accessible. Or, a Mac user can create an accessible Word document and then move to a Windows machine to generate the PDF. The best method to create an accessible PDF in Windows is to install the Adobe Acrobat Pro add-in to your Word software, which is available for free to all SRJC faculty. Then use the Acrobat tab in Word to create PDF. You can also create a PDF from the File menu by using the Save as Acrobat PDF option or the Save option, but the Acrobat add-in is the best method for preserving accessibility features. Once you have your PDF file, you're ready to upload it to the section information page for your course on the SRJC website, where students can click on any section number in the schedule of classes to see basic course information, a link to the PDF syllabus that you upload, and a link to your course in Canvas once you publish it. To upload your syllabus, log into your portal and click on the View Update section syllabus. You will be prompted to select a semester, choose the PDF file from your computer, and upload. If you need to replace the file later, simply return to this screen and upload a new file, and it will take the place of the previous file. You can upload the same syllabus file to your Canvas course. Log into Canvas, go to the syllabus page, and click Edit. Select the Files tab and upload a new file. Choose the file from your computer and click Upload. A link to your file will appear on the page, which students can click to download it. If you'd like a preview of the file to automatically display, highlight the link, click the link button in the menu, and select Auto Open the inline preview for this link. Click Update Link and Update Syllabus. Refresh the page to view it. Now I'll show you the template syllabus page you can import into your course from Commons, which is a web page rather than a Word document. Log into Canvas, click on Commons, and search SRJC Syllabus Template. Select the Quick Start number 4 template, choose the Canvas course where you'd like to import it, and click Import into Course. Please note that if you have content on the current syllabus page in your Canvas course, this import will override it. And if you import this template a second time into the same course, it will overwrite the first import and any changes that you made to the first import. Renaming or editing the components does not prevent overwriting from Commons. Once the import is complete, go to your course in Canvas and select the syllabus link in the course navigation. Click Edit, make changes, and save. The same accessibility guidelines apply to Canvas pages as they do to Word documents. To learn how to make your Canvas pages accessible, and for other accessibility tips, go to de.santarosa.edu, click on Web Accessibility Guidelines and Canvas Accessibility. Thanks for watching!